What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go over some filters that I had and have installed in my Integra GSR. This right here is the K&N filter, drop-in filter. What that little red arrow is pointing to, it's like a little nub at the end of the filter that holds the filter in place so that it doesn't shake and move around in the filter box. This filter is installed on a 98 Integra GSR. Same setup as a 2001. And this is the K&N Clamp on filter, clamped on to a CT engineering elbow. As you can see, it moves around a little bit because that clamp on filter does not have that little nub. If it did have the nub, it would go into a little hole on the end right there underneath the sticker. Since the filter does move around and the box does not create a tight seal, in the future, we're going to seal it up. We'll probably use some sort of tape or something that's going to give it a nice seal so that the only air that will be coming through the air horn, which is located behind the passenger signal light. This is just me revving with the K&N filter with the cover and now with the cover off. And next we're just going to do a comparison between the two air filters. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.